Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the first two phylum of the animal kingdom, that is Porifera and Cnidaria. We already discussed the basis of classification in our first lecture, and now we take the first two phylum. The animal classification is divided into the 11 phylum, and we are talking about one by one. So first is Porifera. Porifera means pore bear animals. So those organisms which have pore in their whole body is already also known as the sponges. Okay, body have small pores. About 5,000 species of the sponges are known. Study of the sponges are called the parazoology. Okay, Proteospongia is a connecting linked between the protozoa and the porifera. Protozoa is modified into the proteospongia, and proteospongia is modified into the porifera, that is the animal. Proteospongia, it is the aquatic microorganism. Then porifera have higher power of regeneration. What do you mean by the power of regeneration? Means if porifera cut into the thousand of pieces, so every piece is capable to make their own body. Whole body is known as the regeneration. Whole body have tiny pores is called ostrea. Already we talking about porifera have the pores, and each pore is known as ostrea. Body have only single opening, it's called osculum. Okay, don't confuse the ostrea and osculum. Ostrea means small pores which is present whole body of the animal, and osculum only single opening which is present upper side of the organism. Okay, this is osculum, and body have small pores, this is known as ostrea. Okay, now we talk about habitat. So sponges are the marine, mostly marine. Okay, but few sponges are freshwater. Example, spongilla. Spongilla is a freshwater organism. Sponges are sessile. बेटा sessile organism मतलब होता है remain attached to some object underwater, and that object is known as the substratum. So how they take their own food? If porifera animal are not able to move here and there, so how we take their food? So they are taking the food by water entering into the body. By the water they take oxygen, they take food. Okay, that's why that animal are also called filter feeding. Filter feeding means through the water filter they feed their food. Okay, body symmetry. Sponges are primitive multicellular and are asymmetrical. It is the primitive organism, multicellular, more than one cell. That's why we come under the animal kingdom. Asymmetrical means they are not divided into the equal halves. Okay, cellular level of organization. Their bodies only made up of cell, they do not form any tissue, they form only cell. Cells are the loosely aggregate into the body and only found some division of flavor. Some cell are divide excretion, respiration, reproduction, and some metabolic activities, but not form any tissue. So only porifera is a cellular level of organization. Okay, in the whole animal kingdom. Okay, reproduction, we talk about reproduction. So sponges reproduce asexual by the fragmentation and sexually by the formation of gamete. So sex are not separated, so they are the hermaphrodite animal. Hermaphrodite animal means they are only one animal have both sex, male and female. Okay, they are not separated. Fertilization is internal and development is indirect. Indirect means having the larva stage, which morphologically distinct from their adult phase. Larva phase is different form, and adult animal is different form. Okay. Excretion by the body surface, they do not have any specialized excretory organ. Body form body is made up by two layers, so they are the diploblastic, only endoderm and ectoderm, they do not have mesoderm. So outer layer is known as the pinacoderm and inner layer is known as the quinicoderm. Pinacoderm is the outer layer, which is consists the flattened or oval pinacocyte cells. Okay, and inner is quinoderm, that is inner layer which is consist highly specialized cell are called quinacocyte cells or collar cell that have flagella. Okay, collar cell have flagella and they are responsible for intracellular digestion. So they are lined by the spongiocele cavity. What do you mean by the spongiocele cavity? We understand with the help of diagram C. This cavity, central cavity of this organism is known as the spongiocele central cavity. Outer layer is known as pinacoderm. Inner layer is known as quinacoderm. See, and between the pinacoderm and quinacoderm there is a non-cellular layer is present, is known as the mesenchyme layer. Okay, so water is it have water canal system. What do you mean by the water canal system? Water canal system means animal receive water by the help of small tiny pores, that is known as ostia, and it is released by osculum, single opening. अब बच्चे यहाँ कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं और पूछते हैं कि अगर एनिमल वाटर के अंदर है तो वो सिर्फ बॉडी के टाइनी पोर से ही क्यों वाटर ले रहा है, वो सिंगल ओपनिंग है, यहाँ से वाटर अंदर क्यों नहीं जा रहा, यहाँ से वाटर बाहर ही क्यों जा रहा है? इसका भी एक रीज़न है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हमने देखा है कि पिनाकोडर्म के बाद क्विनाकोडर्म लेयर है और क्विनाकोडर्म लेयर के पास जो सेल्स है कॉलर सेल्स, इट हैव फ्लैजिला, दे आर फ्लैजिलेटेड सेल्स. ओके, एंड थ्रू द ऑस्ट्रिया दे रिसीव वाटर, पानी या ऑस्ट्रिया से रिसीव करते हैं और ये पानी रिसीव कर रहा है तो उसके साथ ऑक्सीजन और फूड सब कैप्चर कर रहे हैं, और बाय द बीटिंग ऑफ वाटर विद द हेल्प ऑफ व्हाट, विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोनेकोसाइट सेल्स, कॉलर सेल्स, बाय द बीटिंग ऑफ वाटर द वाटर इज रिलीज आउटसाइड, दे आर नॉट कैपेबल टू इनसाइड. विद द हेल्प सी दिस कोनेकोसाइट लेयर बीटिंग ऑफ वाटर को बीट करते हैं इस तरह से, तो पूरा पानी ऑलरेडी बाहर जाता है, अंदर नहीं आ पाता. तो अंदर कैसे आएगा? ऑस्ट्रिया से, छोटे छोटे टाइनी पोर से अंदर आएगा और ऑस्कुलम से बाहर निकल जाएगा. तो इट हैव ओनली सिंगल ओपनिंग ऑस्कुलम. Okay, and that system is known as the water canal system, which is only found in phylum Porifera. Okay, so outer first layer is pinacoderm, inner layer is quinacoderm, and between these two there is a mesenchyme layer. It is the non-cellular layer and it have spongin fiber, actually spongin fiber and spicules. स्पिक्यूल्स व्हाट, सम ऐसे कांटे लाइक स्ट्रक्चर रहता है जो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट और सिलिका का बना रहता है. विद द डिफरेंट क्लासेस ऑफ द पोरिफेरा हैव डिफरेंट कंपोजिशन ऑफ द स्पिक्यूल्स एंड स्पॉन्जिन फाइबर आर सीन. ओके, see, this is the water canal system. Sponges take water through the ostrea into the spongiocele cavity and released by the osculum. Sponge's body plane is divided into three types: ascon, sycon and leucon. Ascon it is the simplest body form, which is simplest sponges or body form which is found in Leucosolenia. It is a Leucosolenia is a sponge. See, this is the Leucosolenia. It is the simplest ascon type sponges. Next is Psychon. Psychon, it is the most more complex, little bit complex by the Ascon, and it have two water channel. See, their bodies have some little bit complex, and it have two water channel. Outer is known as radial, and inner is known as incurrent. Outer is radial and inner is incurrent. Outer channel water is come by the radial, and radial have aperture. See, this aperture is known as the apopyle, and inner is incurrent channel, and incurrent channel have aperture is known as prosopyle. So there is, see, there is two water channel. First is radial, outer is radial, inner is incurrent. Radial channel has apopyle of water aperture, and inner is prosopyle water aperture. Rest the process is same by water canal system. Next is leuco or leucon type sponges, which is found in spongilla, freshwater sponges, and it is most complex leucon. It has uh, water channel flagellated water channel, and all the cells are the flagellated, which is help the beating of the water by the osculum. So on the basis of their body design, it is divided into the three type: Ascon, Psychon, Leucon. Ascon simple, more complex, most complex. Okay, it have simple outer and inner layer, pinacoderm and conacoderm. It has it also have radial and incurrent water channel. It have specialized flagellated cell. Next, we talking about classes of the porifera or classification of porifera. It is divided into the three classes: Calcareous, Hexactinellida, and Demon spongilla. Demon spongilla, Hexactinellida, and Calcareous. Calcareous means skeleton is made up of the calcium carbonate. Okay, and show the spongiocele cavity, which is open the outside by osculum. It have radial symmetrical organism, and conacocyte cells are large. Example, Leucosonelia. This is the Leucosonelia, and it is the short heighted uh, organism. Sponges are found almost 10 centimeter. It have spicules, which is made up of calcium carbonate, and example is Psychon or Scypha, also known as Scypha. Psychon, Scypha, Leucosonelia. This is the example. You have to learn this. Okay, next class is Hexactinellida. It is also known as glass sponge, because it is made up of the silica. Okay, hexa means six, so it has six rays uh, of the silica spicules. It is bigger height, almost 1 meter, of sponges, radial symmetrical, and example is Euplactella, Hyloneema. This all Euplactella is also known as Venus flower sponges. Okay, next is Demospongia or Demon spongia, is known as silicon is absent. It don't have silicon, and it is, if it is present, so made up of silica, or it have spongin fiber, which almost spongin fiber and spicules, which almost same, and made up of the silica, or also known as the boring sponge. Example is Linoa. Okay, and Spongilla. Euspongia. These all are the example of these classes. So this is the this is our porifera. We recap only in 2 minutes. Porifera, it is pore-bear animal, also known as sponges. All about 5,000 species we already known. Study of porifera is parazoology and high power of regeneration. All body bear pore are known as ostia and single opening which is osculum. Marine, fewer freshwater, sessile organism, asymmetrical, cellular level of organization. Okay, hermaphrodite, excretion by their body. They have two-layer diploblastic menachoderm and choanodom. Choanodom are the flagellated. Between these two layers, mesenchyme is formed. It is non-cellular and have the spicules and spongin fiber, which is made up of the calcium carbonate and silica. Okay, it have water canal system through which ostia enter the body and osculum release the water. They are through the three body forms sponges are formed: ascon, sycon and leucon. Okay, three classes classification: calcareous, hexactinellata and demospongia. Okay, example: calcareous का Leucosonelia sycon. Okay, and as hexactinellata का example: Hyloneema euplectinellata, glass, also known as the glass sponges. Then demon, last, is also known as frame sponge, which is the boring, also known as the boring sponges. These all the sponge. Now we come the phylum Cnidaria. Phylum Phylum Cnidaria. Now talk about the phylum Cnidaria. The characteristics of Cnidaria. Cnidaria is also known as the coelenterata. Why they are called coelenterata? Because animals have the gastrovascular cavity, and gastrovascular cavity is also named as the coelentron, but it do not have true body cavity, only gut cavity it have. Okay, or seal means cavity. Next is cnidaria word. So why they are called cnidarians? Coelenterata animals having tentacles, and on the tentacles specialized cells are present called cnidoblast or nematocyte. Due to the presence of cnidoblast, the word is cnidaria it came. Function of cnidaria: it help in encourage means to सम ऑब्जेक्ट, किसी चीज़ को पकड़ने के लिए, ऑब्जेक्ट को, एनिमल्स को. ओके, डिफेंस एंड फूड कैप्चरिंग. इट हैव थ्री फंक्शन: एनकरेज, डिफेंस एंड फूड कैप्चरिंग. Cnidarian includes 9,000 species already we have known. They are aquatic, mostly marine, and some are few water. Few water, example Hydra. They are blind sac. Blind sac means what? Blind sac means only have single. This animal have single opening, and single opening behave like both mouth and anus. They are tissue level organism. Living style solitary and colonial. Solitary means those animals which live alone, and those who are like in live in colony. Okay, the body form is radial symmetry, diploblastic and acoelomate. Radial symmetry means more than two equal halves, cut more than two equal halves. Diploblastic, made up of two layer, outer and inner, ectoderm and endoderm. Outer layer is known as epidermis, endo layer is known as gastrodermis, and they are acoelomate because they do not have two body cavity. It have gastrovascular cavity and nervous system in the form of net. It's called statocyst. Statocyst, it is a organ which behave or balance orientation of the nervous system. Okay, not well developed nervous system it have. Okay, now cnidarian have two body plane. Body form is two type: polyp and medusa. Polyp means sessile. Those are sessile. Those are not able to move here and there. Sessile means those organisms which remain attached on some object or substratum. Okay, medusa means they are mobile. They are free swimming animals. Okay, and some species zooids exhibit both plan, means some animal is behave like in their larva stage they behave like polyp, and in adult they behave like medusa. So it is called polymorphism. Polymorphism means those animal which in their life cycle they are two body form, it have two body forms in some species of this phylum polyp and medusa. Okay, it is a diagram of hydra. See, there are the tentacles and is single opening. It have mouth, gastrovascular cavity. Outer layer is known as epidermis, inner layer is known as gastrodermis, and between these two non-cellular layer is known as mesogia. ठीक है. Next we talking about metagenesis. Metagenesis means it is a reproduction, part of the reproduction cycle or organism that are alternate between the sexual and asexual, means it is a alteration of generation. Metagenesis means organism which are behave like in their larva form polyp, and when they are adult it convert medusa. Okay, see example of the example. See here it is an example. See, it is a mature polyform, it mature, and here is the medusa, it converted into the medusa form, medusa bird डिटैच हो गया. यहाँ पे मेल एंड फीमेल गोनाइट्स अलग से मेड्यूसा है, उनने सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन किया, यहाँ पे जाइगोट बना और ये लार्वा स्टेज, डिफरेंट लार्वा स्टेज बने, पेन्यूला, हाइड्रोला, ये सब लार्वा फॉर्म्स हैं इनके, और देन फिर से ये मैच्योर पॉलिप बन जाएगा. मतलब पॉलिप से मेड्यूसा, देन मेड्यूसा से पॉलिप इज नोन एज द अल्ट्रेशन ऑफ जनरेशन. एंड ये इस अल्ट्रेशन ऑफ जनरेशन को हम बोलते हैं मेटाजेनेसिस, जो किसके अंदर फाउंड होते हैं, निडेरिया के अंदर. ओके, एग्जाम्पल इसका है ओबेलिया. ओबेलिया इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल. इट इज अ लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ ओबेलिया. ओके, नाउ रिकैप characteristics of this phylum. अगर आपको ये फाइलम याद रखना है तो आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा लेटर 2, TW2, Nidaria and Coelenterata. Two name, Nidaria and Coelenterata. Two body form, polyp and medusa. Okay, two germ layer, diploblastic. Okay, ectoderm and endoderm. Habitat 2, marine and freshwater. Living style 2, solitary and colonial. Okay, animal attached to some solid support, they are free swimming and sessile both. See, digestion 2 type, intracellular and extracellular. Reproduction 2, asexual and sexual. Okay, and digestive system, it have it is a diagram of the hydra, and it contain a single opening, hypostome. Hypostome is a harpoon like structure which is found in mouth and anus. मतलब एक ही ओपनिंग है जो माउथ और एनस दोनों को बिहेव कर रही है, और उस ओपनिंग को हम हाइपोस्टोम कह रहे हैं. इनकम्प्लीट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम फाउंड होता है इसके अंदर. ओके, and higher degree of the polymorphism is found. Higher degree of the polymorphism is found means both polyp and medusa. लार्वा स्टेज में है तो पॉलिप में होगा, मेड्यूसा एडल्ट हो गया तो वो मेड्यूसा में हो जाएगा. तो ये ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो होते हैं, जो पॉलिप और मेड्यूसा दोनों में फॉर्म होते हैं, उनको पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म कहते हैं. बाकी कुछ स्पीशीज से पॉलिप होते हैं और कुछ स्पीशीज से मेड्यूसा होते हैं, और बाकी के कुछ स्पीशीज दोनों पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म शो करते हैं. ओके, Now we are talking about the difference between medusa and polyp. Polyp means pole shape, CS, cylindrical shape, and they are fixed, do not able to move, so they are sessile. Okay, medusa, it is umbrella shape. They are free swimming. Okay, example की बात करें तो एडेम्शिया is an example of polyp. Okay, and Orella means jellyfish is the example of medusa. Now we are talk about the classes of Cnidaria. Four classes of Cnidaria. Here is the four classes of Cnidaria: Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, Anthozoa, and Cubozoa. Okay, Hydrozoa means वो एग्जाम जो बोथ फॉर्म में फाउंड होते हैं, पॉलिप एंड मेड्यूसा फेस, जिनके अंदर हमको देखने को मिलता है. एग्जांपल हाइड्रा, हाइड्रोजोआ मीन्स एग्जांपल हाइड्रा, ओबीलिया, फाइसीलिया. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्काइफोजोआ मीन्स जेलीफिश. इसमें रिड्यूस और एब्सेंट पॉलीफॉर्म, रिड्यूस या फिर कम होता है या फिर होता ही नहीं है, बिकॉज इसमें मेड्यूसा फॉर्म ज़्यादा होता है. सो इट इज़ अम्ब्रेला शेप्ड एंड मेड्यूसा फॉर्म. एग्जाम्पल ओरेलिया, जेलीफिश, राइजोस्टोमा. इट इज़ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ स्काइफोजोआ. नेक्स्ट एंथ्रोजोआ. एंथ्रोजोआ की खास बात आपको याद रखनी है, इट इज़ फाउंड इन कॉरल शेप. कॉरल शेप में फाउंड होता है. एग्जाम्पल अगर हम इसका देखें, एग्जाम्पल स्केलेटन इसका कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का बना रहता है एंड कोरल फॉर्मेशन करता है ये एंथोजोआ. ओके, सी एनीमोन, एडेम्शिया, गॉर्गोनिया, सी फैन, रेड कोरल, ब्लू कोरल, ब्लैक कोरल, ब्रेन कोरल, मिंडेरियन is a brain coral. Okay, all the coral formation animals are come under the Anthozoa class of Cnidaria. Now we are talk about some larval stage. So they are in direct development, both asexual and sexual development. Pennula, hydrola, skyfish, stoma, epheria, these all are the larval stage of some cnidarians. Thank you so much. In next class we discuss next two phylum and discuss one by one. I hope you understand all the characters of Porifera and Cnidaria. So thank you so much.